Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style tandoori chicken. The first step to making tandoori chicken is preparation of the main ingredients. You start with making the marinade. You get a grinder, then you pour some peeled garlic in it. Then you add some sliced ginger, then some green chili. You add some vegetable oil, a little bit of lemon juice, and lastly, you add some tandoori masala. Then you grind it until it is smooth. You can store this marinade in the refrigerator for up to 1 month and use it anytime within the 1 month period. Now on to the next step, cutting the chicken. First you get some chicken leg, then you take off the skin. After that, you cut the excess fat on the chicken. Then you make about 4 slashes on the front and about 2 slashes at the back of the chicken leg. You do this step in order for the marinade to not just stay on the surface but go inside the chicken leg as well. Afterwards, you add some salt, tandoori masala, then you add some plain yogurt, and then you mix it all up together. And you take the previously made marinade sauce and pour it on the chicken legs. Then you mix it all up together again until all the chicken legs are covered in red. You cover it and let it rest for about minimum of 30 minutes, or if you have time, for about 2 hours. After it has rested for some time, mix it well again. Then you take a tandoor stick and pierce through the chicken leg. After that, you put the chicken in the tandoor oven. Then let it sit until it is dark red. In this video, I have shown you how tandoori chicken is made in a restaurant. But in the next video, I'll show you how to make tandoori chicken at your own home. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button.